Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to ask for lives in Gardenscape. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Gardenscape game. Then tap on the theme icon. Tap on the Friends button. Then select Ask Friends option. Select the players that you want to ask for lives. Now tap on the Ask button. And this is how you can ask for lives in Gardenscape. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.